In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable full screen optimizations on Windows 11. If you've ever noticed input lag, stuttering, or odd behavior when alt-tabbing in certain games or apps, Windows full screen optimizations might be the reason. It's a feature designed to blend the performance benefits of exclusive full screen with the convenience of borderless windowed mode, but it doesn't play nicely with every title. Here's how to turn it off for a specific game or application. Start by locating the game or app's executable file, the actual .exe that launches it. If you have a shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu, right-click that shortcut and choose Open File Location to jump straight to the folder where the real executable lives. If that takes you to another shortcut, right-click again and select Open File Location until you see the actual .exe with the application's icon. You can also browse to common install paths like Program Files or Program Files x86. Then open the game's folder and look for a file that matches the app's name with a .exe extension. For titles installed through a game launcher, use that launcher's option to view local files, which will also drop you into the correct folder. Once you've found the executable, right-click it and select Properties. On Windows 11, Properties appears directly in the New Context menu. If you see a compact menu, it may be under More Options. Make sure you're doing this on the .exe itself, and not just a shortcut, since some compatibility options only apply when set on the executable. In the Properties window, switch to the Compatibility tab. This is where Windows stores per-app behavior tweaks. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right file by checking the name at the top of the window. Now check the box labeled Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Enabling this setting tells Windows not to apply its hybrid full screen behavior to this program. For some games, that can reduce latency, smooth out frame pacing, and avoid conflicts with overlays or screen capture tools that sometimes misbehave. Click Apply to save the change. Using Apply ensures the setting is written immediately, which is helpful if you plan to make additional adjustments in this window later. Finally, click OK to close the Properties window and return to the folder. That's it. The change is now stored for that executable and will take effect the next time the app runs. Keep in mind that this setting is per program, so if you have multiple games that need it, repeat the same process for each one. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get a smoother, more consistent experience on Windows 11.